Hey everyone, Alyssa here from Sena, today with the new SHOEI Neotec II and the Sena SRL. These two are actually designed perfectly for each other to be completely integrated, and after the SRL is on the Neotec II, you really can't even see it from the outside. Yet you are still capable of 8-way intercom communication, Bluetooth connectivity to other devices, and even audio multitasking and voice commands. So since these two are made for each other, let's get these installed.
Configuration menu. Your headset is paired.
Directions to install can be found with the SRL as well as in SHOEI's user's guide. To begin, remove the cheek pads. Take out the foam speaker covers. To remove the intercom base covers on the outside of the helmet, push the tab inwards towards the inside of the helmet while pulling the cover away towards the chin of the helmet. SHOEI also provides a service tool with the helmet that can be inserted into the gap to help remove the covers. Remove the battery space cover and foam inside. Now for the Sena SRL. Insert the battery by pulling back the rubber gasket and making sure the battery snaps securely into place. Hide the wiring underneath the rubber. Keep the wires on the foam and EPS, avoiding the plastic hook that's used to reattach the cheek pads. The wires will still be covered by the foam, so your cheek pads can be reattached easier. On the left side, insert the piece marked L. Snap the speakers into place and the controls. Insert the microphone into its cutout path. Firmly press it into place. Reattach the cheek pads and run the chin straps back through the pads. Keep the wires in between the EPS and foam covering, avoiding the plastic hook that's used to reattach the cheek pads. Now that we've got everything installed, check your user's guide for button operation, as it is a simple 3-button system. For example, if I wanted to pair with another intercom, I would hold the center button for 8 seconds until I hear intercom pairing, and then tap one of the headsets to connect. If I wanted to pair with my phone, I would hold the center button for 12 seconds to enter the configuration menu and then tap the plus button to begin pairing with my phone. Now I'm ready to go.
So right now I've got the SRL on, and you can't even tell, but I could be talking to 7 other riders paired with my phone, GPS, even my bike, and using audio multitasking to listen to music and the intercom at the same time. Just as easily, I could trigger voice commands by saying, "Hello, Sena,"
Say a command.
cancel, and it's just that easy.
Visit Sena.com for more information, check out SHOEI's new Neotec II, and if you found the video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any product previews or tutorials.